Hey guys, it's Nick, and today I'll be freaking exposing these bitches. So yeah, so this like really just happened. So we got in the fight, and then so they started exposing me for no fucking reason. So needing to get some help. So here's what really just happened.
Oh, because I don't have time to make one.
Hey Llama, you want me to do ASMR? Okay.
Do not. I swear to God.
Bitchy, first after all, you need some help. Some more promotional help. First after all, I have more friends than you, so you better shut the fuck up. Gracie, first after all, look at you. Look at you. Look at you already had that edit. So how are you dumb? Just like you never even changed it. So I don't even know what you're talking about. Bitch, what the fuck is wrong with you? But bitch, first after all, this is your second time exposing me because I didn't even do any reason. Because I was mad at you for first after all, bitch. First after all. Bitch, first after all. You fucking hack people, and I already know you did because I have to prove that you did. Because first after all, you Gracie. Okay, let's just search up her Roblox account. Okay, guys. Okay, let's search up her Roblox account so I can show you what she freaking looks like. So this is what she looks like. Bitch, look at you. You're not even cool. You're wearing cat ears for no reason. So I don't even know what you're even talking about. Bitch, stop trying to be cool with you because you're not. So maybe look like you look like cheap clothes from dollar store. So you need to shut the fuck up and maybe you need to get a life. Let's go to Parsley. Parsley, look at you. Why do you even have a skeleton bone on your feet? But did you put acid on your butt? Because I think that's what you really do. And why are you smiling for that freaking reason? Because I don't even know why you're smiling because of your freaking burnt foot that put an acid. And when you have a bunny tail, you're not half bunny, so I don't even know what you're talking about, you little bitch, dumbass little bitch. So stop even trying. Stop trying. Make me and try me. Because you're not even about my YouTube. Your YouTube sucks. Because I had to mostly preach that I really haven't. So yeah. And V is fine, but it's just no offense, but her outfit, it's like she's not no tomboy. She's not no tomboy, but she's a queen though. I like her. Yeah, she's a queen. Ew, Gracie, she has the green over there. She needs to take that off. You need some grammar, grammar. You never took this off, Gracie. And look at your lips. Your lips look like this. Like, bitch, some more lips, and that makes you some more happiness that you can get more. So yeah, bitch. So stop trying. And yeah, first after all. And bitch, look, you freaking did it 11/2017. Bitch, I have accounts that are freaking like 2000, like 1 year away from you. Okay, bitch. Here's my other ones. Okay, here's one. Okay, here's one that I will fuck like. Gracie, yours is 2017. Look how this account is. 2016. I made this like I made 3 years ago. And you made yours like 2 years ago. So bitch, stop trying to be cool because you're not. So stop trying, bitch. So that's what you're all. Okay, guys, you can go add me on Mitch at
Parsley, a beautiful house item. No, I'm gonna give you a hair and make him look really pretty. Yes.
Don't make him look homeless.
Bitch, you homeless. Look at you. Look at that bun. You need some help. You need some horrible help. And I hope you get banned on freaking Roblox and MSP because you look like a rat. And you don't even know the password. So you need to shut the fuck up with your horrible ratting ass.
Gracie, you also have to send me some beautiful house.
I will.
And
I will. Bitch, who says I will? I say okay, but bitch, help. Okay, guys, hold on. 1 second. Gracie? Let's just search up something like. Okay, let's search up ugly Gracie. Ooh, ugly Gracie. Okay, let's search just for ugly Gracie. Oh, there's Gracie. She looks so ugly. Ew. Ew, 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 ew. like we can say the viewer. So yeah, bitch, try me, fight me, do it, do it, do it, do it. Bitch, and I
Make it look like a sweetie guy, because Nick made it look like a love.
I'll give you some crusty house shoes.
Yeah, I don't need
Yes,
a
thank
account
you.
anymore.
I
I actually don't care.
want to make my house look freaking amazing.
Oh wait, somebody changed the password that me and Jack. It was Nick. It was Nick. It was Nick.
Wait, what? Wait, what?
So
Hello, chat. Because Llama messaged me a picture saying I can't get back on Llama Girls, help me. And I'm like, how? She's like, somebody hacked into it. I can't change the password. That's how Nick is using for YouTube.
Oh, Nick, if you don't give it back, I will expose you. Like,
So Nick is a YouTube hacker, MSP hacker.
Gracie, oh my god, yes, thank you so much. Did not work.
giving back to the homeless.
Gracie, that thing is beautiful.
I know.
Did you get it?
Yeah.
Okay, ready for your next one?
Yes. Let's give her some weave. Let's give her some weave so she doesn't look bald.
Wait, she got this galaxy here from RaphXHXX.
You know one thing we should do? We should go through the messages.
Yes, I would do it, Gracie.
Okay, bye, Nick. Get banned. Get banned. You're hidden now.
You're hidden. You're in
There's
timeout.
the girl 332. She's a scammer. She's scammed by Miss Gold.
What?
it.
Oh, she was lying. She doesn't. Well, she doesn't have a Miss Goldie, does she?
Mm-mm.
Oh, Nick, you got caught.
Look at this is Nick's account.
Wait, go down. Is there anything else?
Gracie, remember to send me that drip top.
I got stop screen sharing so I can keep my secret rare account a secret. Gracie and Parsley, you guys are the only ones that know about it.
No, I don't know about it.
You do, remember?
Ta-ta.
No.
Ta-ta. Ta-ta. Ta-ta.
Message me it. Message me it.
Oh yeah, so don't trust these three people. They're rude and disgusting and annoying. And that's why I'm exposing them right now. Bitch, I am exposing them right now about it. So, yeah. Don't trust them. I did not do it. Recording. Say hi. So yeah, I just want to say those words about, so do not trust these three people. They're stupid, they're ugly, and they're annoying. Hold on. And it's like, really. Bitch, why would you remove unknowns? We don't even know who they are. So, yeah. Bitch, stop trying to be cool because it's not going to work. So, yeah, bitch. So try me if you want me to. So, yeah. So, yeah, I just want to say those things. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I haven't posted in a long time. So, yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Bye.